How y'all doing?
Can you sing for
No,
us?
play a
Y'all
song.
look amazing.
Play a
Thank
song.
you.
Y'all know a song? Things fall apart and time breaks your heart. I wasn't there, but I know. And she was your girl. You showed her the world. You fell out of love and you both let go. She was crying on my shoulder. All I could do is hold
So
her.
good.
Only made us closer till July.
Oh, you're so
You're
good.
so
Like,
good.
actually,
Thank you
that
so
was
much.
so good.
Thank you. I low-key forgot some of the lyrics. That's why I stopped, really.
No, that was so good. Like, you had
Can
us
you
shocked. I don't
sing
know
one
if
of
you
the Billie Eilish
I don't know if
songs?
you
Like,
saw, but you had us shocked.
it's
Oh my
the
gosh.
wait, what is it?
Wait, hold on.
Yeah,
Y'all
now we're
both.
just now we're just gonna ask you to sing stuff.
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at your ocean eyes. Napalm cities and napalm skies. 15 flags behind your ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes.
Oh, you did so good.
You're so good.
He's so
I just learned
good.
that. I just learned that on
Drop
the
an
spot.
album
Yeah,
right
that's
now, bro.
crazy.
Like
That's
you
so
Thank
can
y'all.
really,
good.
like you can actually sing.
Thank y'all, man.
It's special.
How's it going?
Good. I have the same guitar.
For real? Do you know how to play it? Do y'all
You
happen to like
play?
Billie Eilish?
Do I like Billie Eilish?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh.
Do you?
Yeah. Do y'all want to hear the
Okay.
song?
Play a song for us. You good.
Here we go.
Oh, he's gonna
Okay,
sing.
her. Sing for it.
Oh, yeah, you know that song?
Talk to it. Go.
Don't you know I'm
Oh, I love that song.
good for you? I've learned to
Sing it.
lose, you can't afford to. Toy myself to stop you bleeding,
I love this.
but nothing ever stops you leaving me. That's all I know so far.
That's so good.
I'm
Thank
low-key
y'all so much. And I'm
crying.
sick. I'm kind of
She's
sick
literally
too.
crying.
Oh, don't cry, man.
Look
Don't
at
cry,
him.
man.
Look.
Yeah, she's literally crying, y'all.
But thank y'all for listening, man. I appreciate y'all.
Thank you for playing for us. That was so
Yeah.
nice.
Of course, man. Yo,
Hi.
how's it going? You're a song. I just learned.
Yeah.
I just learned this because it's cuffing season. I just need a song to learn, And this song is what I just tell me like.
Okay.
It's only like 20 seconds long. Wait, let me restart. There we go. Cause my love is mine, oh mine. I love mine, oh mine. Nothing in this world belongs to me but my love.
Okay, I really hope you're not singing that to every girl up on here either.
No, I literally just learned it like.
Okay, well, I'm gonna remember that to the day I die.
Are you gonna serenade me?
Quiet when I'm coming home. I'm on my Oh, I could lie and say I like it like
Is he?
that, like it like that. Oh, I could lie and say I like it like that, like it
Is he?
like that.
Who are you? 'Cause that was low-key fire.
They call me Patchy Eilish.
That's a fire name.
Thank you so much.
My brother
Play a
can do it.
song.
I'm a little sick though, so I'm gonna try my best to sing it right. Here we go. This is by Billie Eilish. Here we go. I want you to stay till I'm in my grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in my casket. You carry, if you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. If I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby.
I know. You were
That's all I know.
That was so good.
Thank you. Mind you, I'm sick. It's like I'm real sick, but I tried my best to give y'all a great song. You know.
Yeah, it was good.
Thank y'all so much for listening. All right.
All right, bye.
Have a good one. I used to float.
Ew.
Now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now what I was made for. What I was made
Sorry.
Yeah, so thank y'all
That
for
was
listening.
Amazing.
Oh my god, you were amazing.
Do you
Thank
make
y'all, man.
music?
Y'all was amazing. I tried to. I haven't really made none yet, but
You
I
should
hope
make
you
one.
do.
You
I
should
hope
make
you
one.
do.
like that type of music, like that. Type
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Thank y'all, man.
videos.
Thank y'all so
Wow.
much for listening.
May God bless you. Wow.
God bless y'all too. My brother.
My boy.
I knew it was you. I had to stay
Yeah.
on here.
Yeah.
Did you see?
Yeah.
Did you see you was in a video?
Yeah, I saw. I went on YouTube. I was like, it's crazy.
Let me hear something, man.
All right, let's see.
Wait.
I'm not the best singer. I wouldn't put it on the same, pedestal as like my guitar playing,
Okay.
Tonight there'll be candlelight and roses. Velvet old country chapel is almost falling down. There'll be tears in this old farmer's eyes this evening when he gives his one possession to that city boy from town. There's a little longer than we're used to. So yeah, that kind of thing.
No, that shit hard as fuck. No! Get this man a dip, bro. You're good as fuck.
Nah, dude.
Look at me, man. It feel like I'm in the other person's shoes, man.
Bro, I saw you blushing. You gotta stop, bro.
God, that shit crazy. I'm like, damn.
No, I've only been singing for about a year now.
Yeah, bro, you're good as hell, nigga. I
No,
need tips
bro.
from you,
Dude,
bro.
I'm telling you, if you ever want to write an R&B song, I'll come up with the progression for you.
Man, I might need it, you know, man.
If you ever need anything, I can switch genres too. Like I can hit some soul. So if you need maybe a little something in the back, just let me know.
I got you, bro. Appreciate
You know where to
it,
find
man.
me, bro.
I'm gonna lock you in, man. All right.
All right, later, bro.
All right, my boy. Later. Yeah, man.
Hold on. Sing me a song. I know you.
What the freak?
Play me a
How's that?
song.
Oh, I got you, but I am a little sick, so it might not sound as good. Okay.
That's okay. Just play me a song.
Here we go. Here we go.
I'm trying my best to keep you satisfied.
Oh, I'm satisfied.
Let you get your rest while I sit up at night.
That's all I know so far.
That's so good.
Wait, did you like make it yourself, or is that just all you know?
Oh, it's by Billie Eilish.
Oh, okay.
Oh, really? No, that's so good. Your
You made
voice
that
is
up.
so nice. You
Thank y'all so
devour.
much for listening, man. I appreciate y'all taking time out. I
Do
am
you
sick.
make music?
I try to. Y'all think I should?
Yes.
Like some songs like those?
Yes.
Yes, for real.
Bet. Hey, if I ever have a concert and I see y'all, I'm gonna invite y'all.
We'll be your
listen.
#1 fan.
What's your name?
Thank y'all, man. Love Patchy, man.
Lil
Like
Patchy.
Like this. Love Patchy, like this.
Remember us when you're famous.
I
Yeah.
got y'all, man. Much love, man. Y'all take care.
You don't wanna know.
I
Let's
don't,
keep going.
can I start from the top?
Yeah, you can start from the top.
Okay, before you say anything, I am sick. So if I mess
No,
up and
it's
crack,
okay. I've been sick for like 2 weeks.
all right, bet. Here we go.
I'm trying my best to keep you satisfied and let you get your rest while I stayed up at night. And you don't wanna know how alone I've been.
That's really, really good, actually. No,
Did you
that's.
like it for real?
Are you like an artist?
Nah, somewhat. I be trying to make music
Is
here
it
and
in the
there.
works? No, you should continue doing music.
For real. Would you come to my concerts?
Yes. What's your name?
My real name Marcus, but I got an undercover name
What's your
called
undercover name?
Patchy. Lil Patchy.
Okay.
Patchy.
When you get big, I'll remember you. And I'm
Yeah.
gonna
How
be
old
like,
you is, by the way?
What?
How old are you, by the way?
I'm 20.
You happen to have Instagram, man. You look good.
Instagram, thank you. I really like your singing.
Alright,
wouldn't
maybe
like-
I can sing one of your favorite songs one day.
Maybe.
Alright, man. I'm gonna lock you in. Happy New Year.
Okay, you
You know what I'm
too.
saying?
Happy New Year.
I appreciate that.
I really like-
Alright then, love. I'm gonna talk to you then.
Okay.
Thank you, man.
Bye. Have a nice night.
You too. Chat, she was bad. I got nervous. I got.
He probably seen the same girl we did.
Yeah, probably did. Yep.
Hi.
Do you happen to like music?
Yeah.
Here's a song if you want to hear it.
Okay.
One day I will stop falling in love with you, and someday someone will like me like I like you.
Oh my god, your voice. Oh my god.
I kind of messed
Oh
up a
my
little bit on the
goodness.
chorus. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Thank you. I just wanted to make you, smile or something,
Oh my god, you look like King Von. I don't know.
A drop from he from Tennessee. And I had a
Oh my god.
This shit, she told me where she be. Yeah. I know. Hey,
Wow.
got to, man.
You remember that? You remember that guy who was singing and he was playing his guitar and we were out with, and then when I gave him $1, he started singing to me. He was bad.
So let me sing to you, to y'all. Or, yeah.
I
But-
don't know.
I just learned this song now.
Quiet when I'm coming home. I'm on
I think I'm in love. I love you already.
Oh, I could lie and say I like it like that, like it like that. Don't you know too much already? How lonely hurt you if you let me call my friend to keep me closer, and I'll call you when the party's over.
I love you. Wait, pause. Wait, no, because I actually started tearing up.
Appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate it. Thank you.
Things fall apart.
I messed up.
This is exactly what I needed. Go at
Are
it.
you in here?
Things fall apart.
Oh wait. Okay, I'm gonna here we. I'm not gonna mess up. Here we go.
I'm here for it. You got it.
Here we go. 1.
Things fall apart, and time breaks your heart. I wasn't there, but I know she was a girl. You showed her the world. I wasn't there, but I know.
That's amazing.
For real?
Voice of Angel.
Thank you. I got nervous. You make me nervous. Is that bad?
All right, no, you did amazing.
Thank
Damn.
you so much.
No.
Singing for the boys.
Okay, listen. What do you play?
Anything.
Play Cardi. Play Cardi.
Wait, hold
looking
on.
for the hoods, bro.
In the night, hey, in the night, in the fiend,
I've been watching you for some time and can't stop staring at those ocean eyes, napalm cities and napalm skies. 15 flags inside those oceans.
That was fucking beautiful. That was fucking beautiful, my nigga.
Whoa. You don't just say that.
She don't say that.
No,
I say it.
We're Mexicans. We're Mexicans.
Nah. You don't supposed to say that.
Sorry, in Mexico we say that a lot. I don't think that will.
You're not Mexican. You're not Mexican.
Claro que soy mexicana,
Claro que
güey.
somos
No
mexicanos,
mames.
hijo de tu puta madre.
No mames, güey. ¿Tú mexicano?
Yo
Todos
soy
somos
mexicana,
mexicanos,
güey. Y en México lo dicen un chingo, no se me hace tan big deal.
Oh, okay. How about you give me your Instagram and we'll forgive it?
Okay, you fucking nigga.
Hey!
Okay.